Hey everybody, I'm Justin Corey, CEO of Corey Real Estate Services here in Clarksville, Tennessee, and today I'm going to be answering the question, should I sell my home or should I rent it out? Okay, so you have to move and you're weighing your options between either selling your home or renting it out, placing a tenant and becoming maybe a first-time real estate investor. So there are many factors to consider, and we're going to get into a few here today. So on selling. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that whatever amount that you could list your home for sale for, those numbers make sense to you, and to determine if you're going to be making money or be at a loss. Here at Corey Real Estate Services, what we do is we complete a comparative market analysis, or a CMA for short, and that looks at recent comparable home sales and some other factors and gives you a range of what those prices may look like. And then the other step we take is to do what's called a net sheet, which breaks down all the numbers after any your mortgage being paid off, any closing costs you may pay, commissions, etc., to see if you're going to make money or lose money on the sale. Now, on renting, renting can be a great way to build wealth over time, renting out your current home or owning investment property in general, but not everyone has the stomach for it. That's one of those things where, especially if you self-manage, if you don't want to be in the business of collecting rent or, taking phone calls and emails and things like that from tenants when issues arise, this may not be the route for you, or you may want to have your property professionally managed. So in keeping your home as a rental property, this could be a great way to build wealth over time. And some of the factors that would come into play there is, one is principal reduction, meaning as you're making your monthly, collecting that rent, making your monthly mortgage payment, the amount that you owe on your mortgage continues to decrease, which builds your equity in the home. Next would be appreciation, which is just your home increasing in value over time, whether that's through inflation or just market conditions in general. Monthly cash flow, this is just whatever amount you make after being able to pay your mortgage and any expenses, repairs, money you would hold back for reserves potentially, things of that nature. And then last but not least are the tax advantages, and I won't go into grave detail about them. I would advise you talk to a tax professional about that. But through depreciation, when you're doing your taxes, you can offset the income that you make from a rental property. And then also, when you go to sell that property, you can do what's called a 1031 exchange, and the proceeds that you have in there, you can defer those taxes and buy another investment property of a similar kind. So that can be a really good way to build wealth. So to address the question, should you sell your home or rent it out? The answer to that is, it depends. It depends on once you see what those numbers look like for you to potentially sell, if those numbers are attractive to you, do you take the money and run, or do you build wealth over time as a real estate investor? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, I'm Justin Corey, CEO of Corey Real Estate Services. And if you have any questions about selling your home or renting it out, or anything else real estate related, please feel free to reach out to us at the contact information below. Take care and have a great day.